Ebikes Mars Electric Bike Foldable 20-inch x 4.0 Fat Tire Electric Bicycle with 500W motor, 48V 12.5 Ah removable battery, Shimano 7-speed, and dual shock absorber for adults. 48 miles range and 20 miles per hour top speed. Mars are equipped with modular 48V 12.5 Ah batteries and 500W brushless geared motor to ensure a long lifespan and excellent performance. 4-inch fat tires, with 4-inch wide puncture-resistant fat tires and dual suspension. The places that Ebikes Mars can take you are almost limitless: downtown, around rocky roads, sandy beaches, snowy suburbs, and even urban jungles. ENGWE 750W Folding Electric Bike for Adults 20-inch 4.0 Fat Tire Mountain Beach Snow Bicycles Aluminum Electric Scooter 7-speed gear e-bike with detachable lithium battery 48V 12.8 Ah up to 28 miles per hour. EP2 Pro Electric Bike is styled in 6061 aluminum alloy frame, mechanical lock front suspension fork, and adjustable seat and handbar. Pro Electric Bike for Adult 26-inch Fat Tire Ebikes Foldable 48V 14 lithium battery e-bike 750W Mountain Snow Beach Electric Bicycle Dual Shock Absorbers 8-speed. 750W brushless motor maximum speed can reach 28 miles per hour, 48V 14 Samsung lithium battery, charging time 5 to 7 hours, using level 1, the load throttle speed. VeloWave Electric Bike Adults 500W 27.5 foot e-bike 25 miles per hour mountain e-bike 48V 13 lithium-ion battery removable Shimano 7-speed UL certified. Large capacity 48V 13 battery, offers strong climbing and acceleration capabilities, assists travel of up to 35 plus miles per full charge. The battery is hidden in the frame. Royce Union 700C RMY Women's 21-speed hybrid comfort bike, 15-inch aluminum frame, pearl blue. Assembly video beside images. RMY is one hybrid bike you can't ignore. The durable, lightweight aluminum frame is easy to handle and will never rust. Pearl blue with clear coat looks stunning. 15-inch frame is suggested for a minimum inseam of 25 inches. 17-inch frame is also